Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 7 latest defense updates in this video part 1. Let's start. Number 1, plans to develop truly indigenous conventional submarine. India's leading shipbuilding company Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited is boosting its research and development activities in the development of many components and systems that will result in the development of a truly indigenous conventional submarine for the Indian Navy, as per industrial sources said. MDL, that made French Scorpion class submarines in India under licensing agreement, is developing lithium-ion battery packs and battery monitoring system for current and for the proposed indigenous conventional submarine programs. Next, HJT-36 certification happens soon. The long overdue Hindustan Aeronautics Limited produced intermediate jet trainer, that is IJT, HJT-36, that has completed 6 turn spins on each side, a key milestone in the program last year, has made HAL officials confident that the final certification of the aircraft will happen in the next 12 months, as aircraft is set to clear final round of trials in coming months. It is told that design issues on the HJT-36 have been fixed, but it will require recertification due to enhancements, improvements of other systems and subsystems before the aircraft is ready for user trial. Next, HAL plans to complete Tejas Mk1A deliveries ahead of schedule. HAL will commence delivery of Tejas Mk1 fighter jets from next February, which will soon see the induction of 4 Mk1A fighter jets into the Indian Air Force, with peak production rate of hit 16 units per year from 2026 onwards. But HAL is targeting to squeeze it in more deliveries from 2026 onwards, so that the orders for 73 jets can be accomplished before 2029. Next, Indian Army issues RFP for light and heavy logistic drones. Indian Army has issued 2 separate requests for proposal for 100 each logistic drones in light and heavyweight class, along with accessories, under emergency procurement from a fast-track procedure under Buy Indian category. In light logistic drone requirements, it is seeking drones that have all up the weight of 50 kg with a payload carrying capacity of 15 kg. Light logistic drone should be equipped with day-night camera and has a range of 10 km and the ability to operate in fully autonomous mode, manual mode, and return to home mode in various contingency. Next, India's fight against terror yields fruits, CRT 2021. India's strategy of containment of terror by strengthening security institutions and mechanisms, along with removing development deficit through bringing the marginalized communities into mainstream, increased connectivity and entrepreneurship development programs with the help of microfinance welfare programs is yielding dividends. The Country Report on Terrorism 2021 CRT, released by the US State Department on February 27, 2023, revealed that there was a 16% decrease in terrorism-related incidents in India in 2021 from that of 2020, and 5% decrease in fatalities from 2020. Next, India's US holds 6th Aircraft Carrier Technology Cooperation Meet. The sixth meeting of Joint Working Group on Aircraft Carrier Technology Cooperation, constituted under the auspices of the Indo-US Defense Technology and Trade Initiative, that is DTTI, was organized in India from 27th Feb to 3rd March. An 11-member US delegation headed by our admin James Downey, Program Executive Officer PEO Carriers, visited various defense industrial installations in Delhi and Kochi. The opening session of the Joint Working Group meeting was held on 27th Feb at New Delhi and was co-chaired by R. Sandeep Mehta, Assistant Controller Carrier Projects, ACCP. Next. Army organizes AgniV recruitment registration drive for Kashmiri youth. It's a very good news for the development of Kashmir. Aplona Rashtriya Rifles under the aegis of Haider Beg Sector Kilo K Force organized an AgniV recruitment registration drive for the youth of Kashmir. This time there is a change in the recruitment process for Agniveers. Candidates will undergo an online entrance examination CEE at designated centers, followed by physical fitness tests and then medical tests before the selection. All unmarried eligible male and female candidates born between October 1st, 2002 to April 1st, 2006 with requisite educational qualifications can apply to become Agniveer. Thank you.